Hello everyone, I'm here at the Bellagio and I have a free 2-queen bedroom. And if you come to the left here, here is the bathroom. You have a tub, which is pretty decent size. You have your sink, this really cool mirror. I think the lights come on it somewhere. Somewhere they do. So if you pull out the drawers here in the bathroom, we have a hair dryer. Oh, it's the shower cap. These things, I guess if you want to remove your makeup and stuff. And this is cool, so I guess if like something on your dress breaks or something, you can fix it. Let's see if there's anything in this drawer. One little towel. You have your soaps right here. For some reason they have this phone. I have no idea what this is for. And you have this walk-in shower. I did want to show you guys, so they have these bottles for the body lotion, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. This is what they all say on them, and they are all cruelty-free. If you come back into the main room, we have the 2 beds. So I saw like this little radio thing here, and I just thought this was so funny because it reminds me of my old iPod. I think it was like Classic is what it was called. And then also here on the lamp, they have these outlets for your chargers and of course the switches to turn it on and off. And oh wait, oh, it moves. Wait, what? That's so cool. Okay. Then we have like a desk area over here. Oh cool, we got like a little gift. Let's see what's inside. Okay, cool. So because of everything going on, they give you hand sanitizer, face mask, and these things. So you have a phone. We have a couple drawers here. Put your stuff in. And this is our view. So not a strip view, but we can see the pool down there, and that looks pretty nice. Got some chairs, and then we have this code if you want in-room dining. And then, hello, we have this wardrobe here. Oh my gosh, you get robes. This is like so fancy. Hangers, a place to put your suitcase. So this is cool. They do give you 2 bags to like put your dirty clothes in to take home. Also, make sure you do not grab anything in here. The prices, I mean, are just absolutely outrageous. And if you even touch anything, it sets off a sensor and charges your room. So, I mean, if you want to get charged like $10, $15 for this little thing, go ahead. But, it's my little tip. You have an ice bucket with some glasses. Of course, the TV. And they do have USB charging ports here. Of course, you do have the drawers. And let's see what this is. Oh, I think it's just for the next room if you have connecting rooms. A full-size mirror. And I think this is more of just to mess with the windows. Oh, cool. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this room tour. Bye.